Okay, when you're installing a peak on any home, whether it's under the eaves, on the drip edge, or on a shingle, you always want to mark your peaks. Professional installers, if you want to separate yourself from the rest of the guys, mark your peaks. Customers will love you, and it'll add that nice professional touch when it comes to lighting the home and turning it on and watching it at night. So in this case, we're mounting under the eaves. But before I finish that bulb lines up perfectly. If it doesn't, you need to adjust your wire accordingly. But one thing that we've done is we mark our peaks with a colored zip tie. There's a lot of different ways to do it. We'll just put this on here. And the nice thing about marking your peaks is when it comes to takedown, whether it's a drip edge, a shingle mount, or an eave mount, you put your eave in or your peak in first, and all the rest of the wire will fall into place. You'll never have any slack. Always install your peak first, and that's why we mark them.